Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best human hair ponytail wigs for black women. The Ponytail Human Hair Extension Straight Hair Drawstring Ponytail by Annora. If you're looking for a natural, versatile, and easy-to-use hair extension to instantly elevate your look, this might just be the perfect option for you. This ponytail extension is made from 100% unprocessed Remy human hair, specifically grade 10A Brazilian virgin hair. What this means is you're getting high-quality, natural hair that can be styled just like your own. Whether you want to straighten, curl, or even dye it, the possibilities are wide open. The texture is straight and smooth, offering a sleek, polished look that blends seamlessly with your natural hair. One of the standout features of this extension is the drawstring closure system. The ponytail attaches to a 5x5-inch natural black base, which comes equipped with two clip-in wig combs and an elastic band. This design ensures the ponytail stays firmly in place all day long without slipping or needing constant adjustment. It's incredibly lightweight and comfortable to wear, making it perfect for all-day events, from casual outings to elegant dinners or parties. The ponytail is reusable and washable, allowing you to maintain its softness and shine over time. Just be sure to wash it gently with cool water and conditioner, and avoid excessive heat styling to keep the hair in the best condition possible. If you want to freshen it up daily, you can spritz it with a homemade moisturizing spray made from water and conditioner, focusing more on the ends to prevent dryness. Available in various lengths from 12 inches all the way to 26 inches, this extension caters to different style preferences, whether you want a short, neat ponytail or a longer, more dramatic look. The natural color is slightly lighter than jet black, giving it a very authentic appearance that can be easily dyed to match your own hair perfectly. Annora is a reputable brand with a strong factory presence in Xuchang, China, known as the world's largest human hair production center. This means the product benefits from advanced equipment, skilled craftsmanship, and strict quality control standards. The result is a reliable, durable ponytail extension that looks and feels natural. To sum it up, the Annora Human Hair Drawstring Ponytail Extension is a fantastic choice if you want a quick, elegant way to add volume and length to your hair. It's easy to wear, looks natural, and is made from premium human hair that offers styling flexibility. Whether you're preparing for a special occasion or just want to switch up your everyday style, this ponytail extension is designed to make the process effortless and beautiful. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product reviews. See you in the next video.